Let's get real for a second. Money is something we all think about, whether we like it or not. It's not just numbers on a screen or paper in your wallet. It's the key to your dreams, your security, and your future. But let's be honest. Sometimes it feels like there's never enough of it, right? You work hard, pay your bills, and if you're lucky, maybe you've got $100 left over at the end of the month. So, what do you do with it? Do you treat yourself, stash it away, or just let it sit there, waiting for the next emergency? What if you could make that money grow? Imagine your cash working for you, multiplying quietly in the background, instead of shrinking every year because of inflation. That's the power of putting your money to work. Leaving your money in a basic savings account? That's like locking a superhero in a closet. Sure, it's safe, but it's not doing anything amazing. Your money has potential, but it needs to be set free to reach it. Your money should be out there, building your future, helping you buy that car you've been eyeing, saving up for a cozy home, or just giving you the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. And here's the thing. This isn't just for the rich or people with fancy degrees. It's for anyone with a dream, a little bit of cash, and the willingness to learn. No matter where you start, you can take control. I'm talking about investing. Yeah, I know, it sounds intimidating, like something only Wall Street pros do. But trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. I'll break it down for you. Terry Crews style. Strong, simple, and with a little bit of fun. We're going to take that $100 and plant it like a seed. With the right moves, it can grow into something much bigger, a tree that keeps giving back year after year. Remember, you're in control of your financial future. Every small step you take adds up, and before you know it, you're climbing higher than you ever thought possible. I'm here to be your guide on this journey. Together, we'll turn confusion into confidence and uncertainty into action. You don't have to do it alone. So, are you ready to give your money a real mission? Let's get started. Let's get this money, and let's make it work for you. What's the stock market? It's a term you've probably heard a lot, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine a giant, bustling marketplace, but instead of buying apples or oranges, you're buying tiny pieces of big companies. These are called stocks. It's like shopping, but for ownership. When you buy a stock, you actually become a part owner of that company. Yes, you heard that right. No matter how small your share, you're officially a co-owner. That means you can own a slice of Apple, Starbucks, or any company you admire. It's like having a tiny seat at the table of your favorite brands. As these companies grow and succeed, the value of your piece can grow too. If the company does well, your investment can become more valuable over time. All of this buying and selling happens on special places called stock exchanges, like the famous New York Stock Exchange or the high-tech NASDAQ. These are the hubs where all the action takes place. Prices of stocks go up and down all day long, changing every second, based on what people are willing to pay and how much they believe in a company's future. So, the stock market is really just a place where people buy and sell ownership in companies, trading their hopes and predictions for the future. When you invest, you're betting that these companies will succeed, and if they do, your money can grow right along with them. It's a way to build wealth over time. So remember, you're not just spending, you're putting your money to work for you, helping companies grow and building your own future. You got this. Ready to invest? First, open a brokerage account. It's your ticket to the stock market. Choose a company like Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, or an app like Robinhood. Most have no fees and no minimums. Your $100 is enough. Sign up online, provide your info, and link your bank account. It's safe, quick, and you can do it in your pajamas. Transfer your money in, and boom, you're ready to invest. Take a second to celebrate. You just took a huge step toward your financial future. You're officially an investor now. Flex a little. You've earned it. The field is open. Time for kickoff. Let's go. Your account's open. Your $100 is ready. What do you buy? The world of investing can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. You have 3 great options to consider: single stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Each has its own benefits and risks, so let's break them down. Buying a single stock means you're investing in one company. If you believe in that company's future, this could be a good choice. Thanks to fractional shares, you don't need a fortune to get started. Even a small amount can buy you a piece of a big company. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks. With one purchase, you own pieces of many companies. This can be a great way to diversify your investments without having to buy each stock individually. Index funds are similar to ETFs, but they track big groups like the S&P 500. This means you're owning a slice of America's top companies. It's a way to invest in the overall market rather than picking individual stocks. Single stocks can be exciting, but they come with higher risk. If that company stumbles, so does your money. It's a bit like riding a roller coaster, thrilling but unpredictable. ETFs and index funds spread out your risk by investing in multiple companies. This makes them safer and more stable, especially for beginners who are just starting out. For your first $100, a broad market index fund or ETF is a smart, simple choice. It's a way to get your feet wet without diving into the deep end. This approach is proven, powerful, and easy to start building wealth. Over time, your investments can grow significantly. Don't overthink it. Diversify and let your money grow. Start simple, start strong. You're on your way to a brighter financial future. Let's talk risk versus reward. It's the heart of investing. Big rewards usually mean big risks. Safe plays mean steady, smaller gains. Think of index funds and ETFs as the safe, steady plays, investing in hundreds of companies at once. The chance of all those companies failing? Super low. Your investment will go up and down, but over time, the market trends upward. Don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. We're building wealth for the long haul. Know your comfort level. Can you handle seeing your 100 dip to 90 before it grows to 150? Stay calm during the ups and downs. Remember, you own real businesses working for you every day. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You're in the game. Now here's how to win. Tip 1. Be consistent. Keep adding to your investment, even small amounts. Set up automatic transfers. Dollar cost averaging smooths out the bumps. Tip 2. Think long-term. Don't obsess over daily changes. Check your account once a month or quarter. Patience is your superpower. Tip 3. Keep it simple. Stick with proven options like S&P 500 index funds. Don't chase hype or complicated strategies. Simplicity and consistency win. Tip 4. Never stop learning. Read, watch, and listen. Knowledge builds confidence. You're the CEO of your money. Own it. Knowledge is financial power. We started with a dream, making your money work for you. Now you know how to invest, open an account, and pick smart options. You understand risk, reward, and the power of consistency. You're not on the sidelines anymore, you're building wealth. That $100 is your first employee, working for your future. Picture your future self. Less stress, more options, real freedom. It's not about one big move. It's about steady steps, adding a little more, staying patient. The journey starts with your first investment. Don't wait for someday. Start today. Open that account, make your first buy, and be proud. Your future self will thank you. You have the power. Believe it. Now go build your empire.